Hey everyone, Chris here. Unfortunately, we're dealing with the dueling lawnmowers again, but I guess it's that time of the year, so that's what it is. I've been focusing a little bit on the side quarter window defroster vents, coming up with a couple different products. This one I didn't install yet in my van. It's a tweeter pod. It's got a set of tweeters in there. I went with the Sklar tweeters. I have report back that they sound really good. They enhance the front sound stage quite a bit when they're installed, which is awesome. That was exactly my goal. Hopefully going to get to wire mine up pretty soon. I might have to wait till I get back from Synchrofest. I leave on Monday to do that. But anyhow, the next product that I came up with, a customer asked me, a couple customers asked me about it, is creating a GaugePod for the driver's side vent. My van is in the garage currently, and but the vents are just mirror images of each other, so you can imagine how this works. The GaugePod just simply clips in there. If you push down, it's going to snap in, just like all my products do. And then it gives you a nice view. You can put a tack in there or any 52mm gauge that you like, really. It also connects pretty easily with, I don't know if I can do this with one hand. This is a little vent elbow that's inside of here that connects to that vent. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. It's a nice, there we go, nice secure fit. This is a slight press fit to fit on there, just like the factory one was, and that'll allow the air to still come through the vanes and be directed on the side windows. So these are pretty cool. They're $35 in the web shop now. I've got a couple too, exactly, that have some surface blems on the underside that you won't be able to see when they're installed. I'll sell those for $25 each. Just shoot me an email, chris@uniworksdesign.com, and we can get those sent out to you. Have a good weekend, everybody. Make sure that you are doing van projects, because it is getting late in the season now to be starting new stuff. I know I still got some cool toys that are arriving today, I believe, from a friend of mine with another Vanagon parts supplier. Vanagon Life. Hopefully I can do a video of that this weekend, I'm hoping, because I'm psyched to get those installed on my van. Anyway, talk to you later. Hope you're doing well. Fight the power. Just a little addendum to that too. I'm going to put in the web shop very soon. I do have just a stock looking replacement one. It directs more of the air to the side vents than anything else, which I thought was helpful. And I also have a version with a switch that's right here. I might be able to fit two switches in there, I'm not sure, maybe not. But I'm going to put that version in the web shop as well. Just for more options, easy place to wire in your auxiliary lights, or whatever you want to wire in. The choice is yours.